not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make curry shrimp and what's it, white rice. Today's what, Sunday, so you guys are gonna cook with me today. My ear tie up, you guys gonna see me all kind of way. Head pull up, head tie up, head well comb, you name it. So I have the shrimp them here. These are somewhat medium size. Them already peel and devein, but them always devein here and not here. And look, that really need to come out. Even though when I got a restaurant, them not do that. But whenever me I make shrimp, we make sure we take this out. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then we're gonna season the shrimp and we'll cook the shrimp. Very easy, quick meal, quick meal. So the shrimp, they're washed and clean. I use lime juice and vinegar to clean it. As I said, I did go ahead and devein the bottom. Of course, the restaurant now will do that for you, but you still have it there and that's okay. But when I'm doing it, I like to do that. So yeah, so you can put whatever you want on your shrimp. I'm gonna add just a little black pepper, just a little bit, not a lot. A little lemon pepper seasoning. This is almost done. Put some in there. And I love to use a little Cajun seasoning on my shrimp. Just a little bit. If you even have a little fish seasoning, you can use it, you know. But I'm not gonna add none of that today. And some Old Bay. This is really good on the shrimp or seafood. This is good. I'm gonna use a little bit. I'm not gonna use any onion powder or no garlic powder because I'm gonna add those. Of course, we need curry. So some curry, and I always had 2 different curry. I'm gonna burn some in the pot. And I'm gonna add a little turmeric. Turmeric good for you. Always I say that. Just a little bit. And of course, a little oil over it. Combine everything together. And I'm going to leave this for like 20 minutes. And of course, I'm going to add the kind of dark. Hold on. We need some more light. And of course, I'm going to add a little jerk seasoning to this. Anything curry, I love add this. Telling everybody you won't break my soul. I love that song. And then just combine everything and leave this for 20 minutes before I prepare it. So for all the seafood lover, this is good. The curry shrimp really have a buzz. Have a buzz. So everybody, look at that. Look at that. The camera not getting justice, but it's pretty and it smells so good. Now I'm gonna leave this and then come and prepare it. The veggies are already cut up and stuff like that. So yep. So I'm just gonna add a little oil to the pot, just a little bit of oil. Just a little bit, that's fine. I love the Petite-Sue, people. I love it so much. This is one of my favorite pot that I have. There's another favorite one like this. This is the curry, and I remember I mixed 2 curry together. Turn up the stove a little. Knock it out, forget everything. So you're gonna burn the curry with the garlic and piece of ginger. Even though I burn the curry, I always use ginger. Can't cook curry without ginger. That's just me. I'm gonna put a little ginger in there. We're gonna saute that. And then a spoon of one curry. I'm gonna want curry with my cutting board. I just have some veggies. Garlic, pimento seed, thyme, pepper, carrot, onion. What is it called again? Sweet pepper, scallion. Put the garlic in. I don't put Irish in my curry shrimp. You don't have to put carrot, you can just use the rest of veggies, whatever you want to put. But this is how I do mine. Then we're going to use the onion. And the scotch bonnet pepper, the hot pepper. Hot. Just saute everything. I need a little bit more oil. Just a little bit more oil. Who afraid that when they cook curry or buy curry, if you buy curry on the road, I don't really buy curry on the road. Yeah, I did it once or twice or so, but not so often. I don't buy curry on the road too often. Very weird when we buy curry. And then you eat the curry and buck up a piece of ginger. Oh my word, that's the worst thing. Put some thyme, pimento seed, this is really delicious. Scallion them. I'm gonna freeze my scotch bonnet pepper along with my scallion. I think I said it in one of them videos when I cook too. But if not, yep. And the carrots, I'm gonna put in there. I leave the bell pepper and then I add them later. Then I have some coconut milk, I'm gonna add it in. And allow this to boil properly. Because you know, curry and coconut, we have to make it boil properly. Yeah, the cotton off the cover, so that's why I use this one too. If it had to cover, then I would use another one, but this is fine. I will leave this to cook properly. After 10 minutes, we add with bell peppers and then the shrimp, and then that's it. I may cook some white rice. Everybody knows cook white rice. Most people, right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna add the bell pepper in. It smells nice. You see coconut milk boil out and something. This is lovely. We're gonna put the shrimp them in. We're gonna put a whole heap of curry on the shrimp. We'll just put a little bit. We're gonna put them in there. So this is gonna stay for about say 7 to 8 minutes. And we're good to go. Look at that. This is lovely. And the carrot then cook already. This smells so good. Wow, look at this. And it smells so good. I hope the camera get justice. This smells really good. Look at that. And it's gonna be so delicious. See that? Nice and simple. Very easy to cook. This is a quick whip up. Quick whip up. Somebody begged me, please do like an Ital vegetarian dish. And I'm coming with that. I think about 4 persons asked me to do that, so I'm gonna come with that. Some Ital. But look at that. You just need to draw down a little more and that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Remember, I have a nice giveaway coming when I hit 5,000k subscribers. So subscribe, use your mother phone, your uncle phone, everybody phone and subscribe because we're gonna have a nice little giveaway. All right,